Blockchain technology is one of the revolutionary innovations of the 21st century. Beyond just serving as a backbone for cryptocurrencies, blockchain has offered humanity an incredible way to manage data efficiently across multiple networks. But have you ever imagined what could happen if AI is integrated into blockchain? How would this merger affect things like crypto? Join us in this video as we explore the possibilities of a typical AI and blockchain combo. What is blockchain and how does it work? Blockchain is a system that allows data or transactions to be recorded and managed across many computers in such a way that the original data cannot be altered, hacked, or lost. It is a decentralized, distributed ledger in the public domain that allows for faster processing, easy access, and top security. You can think of blockchain as individual blocks of data chained together by groups of interconnected computers, with each computer having full access to the data in the whole network. Another way you can describe blockchain is as a digital diary, in which anybody who's connected or interested in this diary can write their own information in it. However, once anything is written, it's there for everyone to see, and it cannot be changed or erased. One thing about blockchain is that it is decentralized. In simple words, it isn't owned by anyone. Everybody has free rights and access to the data blocks in a blockchain. The data blocks in this case could be anything of value. For instance, it could be records of a Bitcoin purchase or any other form of smart contract. Such vital data as these need great security, and blockchain technology provides just that. What duties or functions does blockchain technology serve? The main function of blockchain is to facilitate safe, secure, transparent transactions in a decentralized space. Now, you may be wondering, how does this work? Well, you see, in a typical blockchain network, every transaction that takes place is automatically encrypted and linked to the previous one. As this process continues, you end up with several thousands of blocks of data blocks all linked together. That's why it's called a blockchain. This chain of transactions is accessible to everyone on the network, but there is a catch. No one can alter any data block. Doing so will require changing or altering all the other data blocks, and it's practically near impossible. And so you see, the blockchain technology offers security and transparency like no other network technology can. Another key thing blockchain offers is freedom from control, decentralization. Unlike regular financial databases that are controlled by banks or the government, blockchain is distributed across several computers, so no single entity can exercise full control. This is why banks can never regulate the price of cryptocurrencies. One other exciting function or use of blockchain is to provide digital identity. With blockchain, you could even have your own digital ID card. Now you know all about blockchain, let's move over to the possibilities of blockchain when it is merged with another fantastic 21st century innovation, AI. But before we go into all that, if you've enjoyed this video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It's your little way of supporting us to produce more videos like this. Now, let's go back to our video. AI and blockchain. I'm sure you need no introduction to AI or what it can do. I mean, surely we have the all-popular ChatGPT, and we've seen all other forms of AI models spring up since the beginning of 2023. It's like a new race has begun for humanity, the AI race. However, this race is just starting, so it's yet to spread into certain sectors. For instance, blockchain. Blockchain on its part is still a relatively new technology, so we can't help but wonder what magic can happen when these two amazing technologies are merged. Well, a lot can happen, and it's already happening as we speak. How can AI improve blockchain technology? 1. Enhanced security. As stated earlier, one of the most critical benefits of blockchain technology is the top-notch security it gives. However, when merged with AI, you get double the security. How? Well, imagine if an AI system can enable you to detect fraudulent transactions before they even occur. This is achievable through an AI's ability to study patterns and trends in data, from which it can then make future predictions. In other words, the deep learning characteristic of AI systems makes them a strong ally to blockchain. Once an AI model has identified a potential security threat, it can give off an automatic alarm to warn the user. Just so you know, this isn't just a concept, it is something that has already been done. Score chain. a crypto tracking platform, employs AI in this manner to prevent money laundering and fraud. Another example is a platform called CipherTrace. This platform adopts AI to assess the risk associated with making transactions from various crypto merchants based on their recent activities. 2. Enhancing data analysis. The entire structure of blockchain is built on data. Data from users, from nodes, from transactions, and so on. All of this data has to be analyzed to know what is what. A blockchain network, by default, is already good at this. However, the application of AI can make things better. AI-powered algorithms can enable ultra-fast processing of blockchain data in real time, and even draw more conclusions from such data analysis. Think of it this way: if a company wants to gather insights from recent data, AI can detect patterns or subtle pieces of information that a human expert might miss. And so, it would be able to give deeper insights to improve business operations. 3. Streamlining operations. One of the most popular uses of AI for everyday folks is for automating tasks. Well, who says the same can't happen in the blockchain world? You can use AI to automate payments and smart contracts, or other forms of financial processes and invoices. You could also conduct research on a product or aspect of the business, as well as conduct effective tracking autonomously. It's important to mention that all of this comes with added benefits like reducing operational costs, improving efficiency, time management, as well as enhancing business practices. One good example of AI application in streamlining business operations is the IBM Food Trust. This blockchain-based platform was launched by IBM in the year 2020 for tracking food manufacturing and supply. With this software, business folks could track or monitor the freshness or quality of foods as they get passed down the supply chain. With this AI-enabled app, business folks were able to verify how fresh a product is in just seconds, when in fact, the process typically takes days or weeks. Given the fact that AI blockchain integration is still in its early phase, it's safe to say that tools like the IBM Food Trust are merely scratching the surface compared to what is truly possible when these two technologies combine forces. 4. Enhancing DeFi. The greatest advantage of projects hosted on blockchain has always been the decentralized financing. Whether it's crypto or Web3, DeFi is the main thing that attracts both investors and greedy folks who try to make quick cash by any means necessary. Again, DeFi or decentralized finance refers to any financial activity that is carried out without the oversight of a central authority, meaning banks and governments have no say in where the money goes, no taxes. Ethereum is a popular example of a blockchain platform that hosts decentralized apps or dApps. If you're familiar with cryptocurrencies, you already know that many newly launched cryptocurrencies are tagged as dApps and feature on DeFi platforms like Ethereum or Solana. If not for the DeFi structure, cryptos wouldn't be appealing, to say the least. You would also know all about smart contracts. These are the contacts drawn when you make a purchase or sale of crypto. You don't need to chat with the buyer or seller. The DeFi system automatically handles the transaction and records it accordingly for future reference. Now, all of this seems sophisticated already, and you may be thinking there's not much AI can do to enhance DeFi. But that's wrong. There's a lot AI can do to enhance DeFi on blockchain networks. First, smart contracts are complex to create. The entire thing must be written in code for it to function. With AI, however, such smart contracts can be created in minutes or seconds. Companies or businesses can train generative AI to create smart contracts specifically tailored to a particular user or transaction. Moreover, AI algorithms like ChatGPT can allow developers to write DeFi codes in plain human language, thereby speeding up the process and reducing errors. And so, at the end of the day, it becomes easier for developers to create dApps on a blockchain platform like Ethereum. Moving over to Web3, one place where AI can really dominate is in Web3 marketplaces. AI can provide personalized product or merchant recommendations for buyers. AI chatbots can also be introduced to improve customer service and make for an overall seamless operation. Just so you know, Web3 simply means World Wide Web 3. It is the third generation of the World Wide Web, built on the blockchain network and specifically meant to be decentralized. If AI gets integrated into Web3, which is definitely going to happen, we'll see a whole new upturn or bull run in the Web3 space. Overall, both AI and blockchain are regarded as technologies of the future. Both these technologies are in their early development stages, and so our knowledge of what's possible when they're merged is very limited. However, one thing remains sure. The world of crypto, Web3, and blockchain as a whole will be transformed massively when super advanced AI is integrated into them. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable. We'll see you in the next one.